Okay, so we put the valve cover on it. I didn't film it, but I will give you the idea what I was doing here. So first of all, of course, I clean everything inside, tried to remove any dirt and stuff like that. Then I put the really thin line of gasket sealant all over the surface edge, the edge of the cover. So, and then smear it going to outside, so I don't leave any silicone inside the engine. Then I took the almighty ear sticks and then go from the inside just to wipe off any silicone that was left for inside. I remove the coils so they don't bother me. Also harness this I move over it so I have as much clearance as I can have here. And then I put the gasket, just put it on, and then put some silicone over the gasket also on engine, because I figure that if I put it on the valve cover, I will touch something while inserting it, no matter how much I remove. There are still chance that I will hit probably the chain here or something. So I put it over the gasket, put the valve cover on, and then start with just finger tight, with a bit finger tight everything crisscross. Then go and just a little tighten it with ratchet, and then the torque. I use the torque key and torque it to 9.8 Newton meters. I check everything double to torque everything. You shouldn't miss these screws, so be sure that you torque everything. This threw me off that DOX is like this. I always thought that it will go from front, but you have the arrow here on the cover of the chain, and it's point you to the front. So everything is torqued. I will leave now everything to dry, and then I will clean everything while I have so much space, starting bring back the coils and everything. So hopefully the engine is ready, and I will transfer to electricity, air filter there, exhaust system. So yeah, there's quite a work, but we have a progress, and quite honestly I think this will be over by the end of January if we don't strike some major problem. See you guys.